Assalamu alaikum. This is MD Nuruddin Islam and welcome back to another brand new video. OnePlus finally launched a brand new smartphone in their AC series, and that is OnePlus AC3B. If I would like to talk about the highlighted features of OnePlus AC3B smartphone, then the smartphone has AMOLED panel display and also Qualcomm Snapdragon's powerful and gaming chipset. In this video, I will tell you this smartphone is value for money or not. So without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. First of all, if I would like to talk about the design of OnePlus AC3B smartphone, then you can see the design of this smartphone is so much gorgeous. And the back panel of this smartphone made by glass and plastic. For this glass back panel, whenever you will use this smartphone without back cover, that time you can't see any kind of scratches here. But my recommendation to you, if you would like to protect your phone or if you would like to use this phone for a long time, the time you should have to use a back cover. And also the weight of this smartphone is 200 gram. OnePlus tried to make this smartphone by using premium level materials. For this premium level materials, the weight of this smartphone is something higher than usual. And you can see the back panel of this smartphone have dual camera setup. And also the front panel of this smartphone has a punctual cutout camera setup. The smartphone has IP65 water resistant. For this water resistant, you can use this smartphone under the rain. Even though you can submerge the phone into the water. You will find the smartphone by two colors. First one is grey and second one is purple. So the design of this smartphone is so much beautiful and so much interesting to me. What do you think about the design of this smartphone? You can inform me in comment box. Then secondly, if I would like to talk about the display of this smartphone, the smartphone has 6.74 inches AMOLED panel display, and also the display has Full HD Plus resolution. For this Full HD Plus resolution, whenever you will watch any kind of videos by using this display, the time you cannot see any kind of lack of resolution of this smartphone. And also here you will find 120 Hz higher refresh rate. For this higher refresh rate, whenever you will play some kind of high graphics games by using this display, the time you will get a smooth experience from this display. And also the display has 2150 nits peak brightness. For this higher peak brightness, whenever you will use this smartphone in the sunlight, that time you cannot see any kind of problem for the brightness of this smartphone. Thirdly, if I would like to talk about the camera of this smartphone, then the smartphone has dual camera setup in the back panel. First one is 50 megapixel and also second one is 8 megapixel ultra wide. By using the 50 megapixel sensor, you can make a video with 4K resolution. And also the camera has OIS, that's mean optical image stabilization, which means whenever you will make some kind of videos without any kind of gimbal, that time you will get a better video from this smartphone. But in this 2024, we cannot expect dual camera setup from this smartphone. In this budget range, we can expect triple camera setup from the smartphone. And also the smartphone has 16 megapixel selfie camera. By using the selfie camera, you can make a video with Full HD Plus resolution. But we can't get any kind of 4K resolution from this smartphone. In this budget range, this smartphone have to support 4K resolution by both camera. If I would like to talk about the performance of this smartphone, out of the box of this smartphone has Android 14 and also ColorOS 14. As a chipset, OnePlus used here Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Generation 3, which is 4nm chipset. And also everyone knows that the chipset is so much powerful. That is why whenever you will play any kind of games, the time this smartphone will give you a smooth experience and also better performance. And also you can purchase this smartphone 12GB RAM and also 256GB internal storage, as well as 12GB RAM, 512GB internal storage. And the last variant of this smartphone, 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. You can use only 2 SIM cards in this smartphone, but you cannot use any kind of micro SD card slot. For this 4.3 storage type, I think you don't need to use any kind of micro SD card here. Last part of this smartphone, which is battery. As a battery, OnePlus used here 5500 mAh battery. And for charge the phone, OnePlus used here 100 watt fast charger. And they mentioned that if you would like to charge your phone from 1% to 100%, the time you need only 26 minutes. As a feature, you will find under display fingerprint here. And also the smartphone has NFC, Bluetooth, USB Type-C port and everything. but you cannot see any kind of 3.5 mm audio jack here. So in this budget range, if you would like to get a better performance and also better display, then you can choose this phone. Or if you would like to get a better design and also better camera, then you can move to another phone. So that was our today's video. If you have any kind of question, then you can inform me in comment box. See you with a brand new video.